cells. So for example, how we can explain what cells actually are. Here on the slide, you can see it says what is this, and then you have some letters. Then it says what is this, then you have some words. Then it says you have one sentence which is from the book The Little Prince, and then something is pointing on the book. So how all of this is connected with cells? First, that what we can say that when you observe, when you check the book, a book must be made of some kind of chapters, sentences, words, and letters. So that actually in the end, that all these more complex, like word is more complex than letter, then sentence is more complex than word, then chapter is more complex than sentence, then book is more complex than chapter or anything else up below that. So like you have this organization in let's say in this kind of stuff like book, the something let's say similar is inside of humans, plants, or animals. So basically the point of the story is that you can have the complete organism like human. You need this kind of organism needs to be made of something really simple, like the book is made basically of letters. So like letter, what is letter representing in the book in human body is cell. So shortly we can say that the cell is a building block of every living creature, even if that creature is made of only one cell or it's made of more cells. Classification of organisms based on the structure of the cell. So basically, like we mentioned before, the cell is like a basic building block of anything that is living. Now, what we need to compare here and what is basically the difference between different types of cells is that on the left side you have plant cell and on the right side you have a bacteria. The main difference is that plant cell is part of multicellular organism and bacteria cell is part of unicellular organism. That's the one difference. The second difference is when you look closer inside of the cell, you will see many different things. The main one is that in plant cell, which is on the left side, the purple circle that you can see that the arrow is pointing, it's called the nucleus. So basically the nucleus is the cell organelle which contains the most of DNA. DNA is basically the genetic material. While when you observe the right side where is bacteria, you will not be able to see this round circle, which is meaning bacteria do not have a nucleus. Or second words, it has a DNA or genetic information, but this genetic information is floating freely inside of the cell, inside basically of the cytoplasm.